When you're ready to crack seal, make sure the truck is in auto mode. Once in auto mode, press and hold cycle start. When in cycle start, 4 questions will show up to make sure the truck is operationally ready. It will ask you, is the end of arm tool lock released? Check the surrounding area. Is the truck in drive? And has the truck suspension been dropped? Once those are complete, the windshield light will turn green, meaning you can creep forward. The light will turn red when the robot needs more time to finish crack sealing in a work zone. Also on the HMI, it'll show you the total amount of points in the work zone and what current point the robot is on. When you're ready to be finished, press cycle stop. The truck will finish the current work zone that the robot is working in. When that is complete, hit the manual button and then send the robot to shipping. When in shipping, the Crack Pro will automatically reverse the pump to clean out the hose.